Happy holidays and welcome to the Blending with Henry show. I'm going to show you guys just how beautiful this machine looks. But first, I want to say thank you. Blending with Henry has hit 25,000 subscribers, and it's all because of my loyal viewers who appreciate my work. Now, in the YouTube world, you may see influencers with 1 million subs, but in the blending world, 25,000 subs is king because I cater to a very unique audience. Now, with 25,000 subscribers and over 5.1 million views, Blending with Henry continues to be the #1 channel on YouTube for blender reviews, giveaways, and delicious blender recipes. So once again, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. Just when you thought you've seen the Vitamix Ascent A3500, you haven't seen Candy Apple Red. It's stunning and it's very understated. Rich, deep candy apple red with flecks of metallic in the paint with a high gloss finish. Now this isn't your standard red blender. It looks like a premium grade finish high-end sports car. And it's sure to fit in nearly any kitchen style. And it looks even better in person. Now to compare, I pulled out my Vitamix 6300 in standard red. Now while the 6300's red looks nice, it's bright red and it may not fit in every kitchen compared to the Candy Apple Red Ascent A3500. I call it the Holiday Edition Vitamix, but it's so fitting for any occasion. Black Friday Vitamix promos have begun, you guys, and I would recommend choosing the Candy Apple Red. And you can check out the Black Friday links on my website, blendingwithhenry.com. Now, to celebrate my unveiling of this machine, I had to create a new recipe. I just had to. Okay. Now, it's my sweet potato peanut butter chocolate mousse. It looks sinful. It tastes sinful, but it's dairy-free, made with plant-based ingredients. Now, with a Vitamix, it's easy to create. It's made with baked sweet potato, organic Valencia peanuts, and high-grade chocolate. Now the first thing to do is bake the sweet potato in the oven 425 degrees for 1 hour or until tender. You can grab the full recipe on blendingwithhenry.com. Of course I'm creating the recipe using the new Candy Apple Red Vitamix Ascent A3500 and I'm starting with the 48-ounce wet container. Now it's a great size for many recipes. Now, I'm also using Vitamix's new tamper. Now you guys have got to pick up one of these. If you guys aren't sure which accessories to buy with your Vitamix during Black Friday, check out my last video, 2020 Vitamix Central. I cover machines and all accessories. So I'm going to create the peanut butter first using roasted peanuts. Snapping my lid in place. And I'm blending at the highest speed. Alright you guys, check this out. Perfectly smooth peanut butter. The new Vitamix S2 tamper made this much easier. And now I'm going to drop in the high-grade chocolate to create chocolate peanut butter, of course. Snapping my lid in place. And I'm going to blend on the highest speed using the new S2 tamper. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You want me to pour it right into your computer screen so you can taste it, right? Of course. Oh man, this smells good. Just putting it out there, you guys, how rich, creamy, and chocolatey this is. Just look how it pours. Remember those Lindor or Nestle commercials where they're just pouring chocolate just to tease you? Yeah, this is the same, okay? Next is the sweet potato. This is 2 cups of baked sweet potato that I mentioned earlier. Now I'm using the Vitamix wet container and I'm going to puree this on the highest speed. After about a minute, you should have those 4 mounds and it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to flavor up the sweet potatoes starting with pure maple syrup. Next is full fat coconut milk to give it a creamy texture. Ground cinnamon, freshly ground nutmeg, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Now we're just mixing the ingredients, so you don't need to blend on high speed, just medium. This is the consistency you should see, just as if you were making a sweet potato or pumpkin pie. Next, I'm creating a foam by pouring the magic juice into the air disc container. The magic juice is aquafaba, which is the juice left over from garbanzo beans. Now I found that ramping up to speed 6 will create enough air for foam. Now I'm flavoring the foam by adding in confectioner's sugar, vanilla extract, and orange extract. Now once again, I'm just mixing the ingredients, so blending on medium speed is all that is necessary. Now, aquafaba is a great plant-based alternative, you guys, to using dairy for creating foam, since they both contain proteins. Now I'm pouring in the aquafaba foam on top of the sweet potato mixture. Using a spatula, you want to gently fold the foam into the sweet potato mixture. Now this method makes the sweet potato mixture light and airy. Continue to fold until all signs of the foam have disappeared. This recipe is layered, so in a container, I'm adding the peanut butter chocolate mixture first, about 1/3 of the way. Now you simply pour the sweet potato mixture right on top. And because the peanut butter chocolate mixture is thicker, the sweet potato mixture layers beautifully. Doesn't that look amazing? And we're not even done yet, you guys. Okay. Using a spatula, you just want to smooth the top down. And it's just for presentation. You guys know my motto, presentation is everything. Now I'm garnishing the top with freshly ground nutmeg. It really makes it smell like the holidays. And these Purine chocolate hazelnut wafers, if it's not enough chocolate for you, okay? And a spoon. And there you go, a sweet potato peanut butter chocolate mousse. And you can serve this to your guests in smaller quantities, you guys, and the kids will love it if they don't fancy the traditional sweet potato pie or candied yams served at holiday dinners. Layering recipes may seem a bit adventurous and more work than necessary, but dipping your spoon into the first layer, then the bottom layer, gives you different flavors, and it's sure to be a party in your mouth. You've got to try it. Black Friday is live and here on blendingwithhenry.com. Bring a Vitamix home for the holidays. Now you can scroll through my dedicated Vitamix Black Friday holiday shopping page with links to order directly on the website. Blending with Henry customers get special perks and they are listed on my shopping page. Got a question before ordering? Click the Ask Henry icon on the front page. I'm happy to help you get the right Vitamix to satisfy your culinary needs. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this very special holiday edition of Blending with Henry and that all new beautiful candy apple red Vitamix Ascent A3500. Makes a great gift for someone special or for your own home. Now the links for everything talked about here are below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. Happy holidays.